Welcome to today's episode of Tech Talk. We dive into the incredible world of data orchestration. Today, we're unraveling the fascinating capabilities of Prefect, an innovative workflow orchestration framework designed specifically for data pipelines in Python. So whether you're a data scientist, engineer, or just someone curious about how data moves and is managed, this episode is for you. Imagine for a moment your data processes as an intricate dance, sometimes harmonious but often chaotic. Now, what if I told you there's a tool that can help you not only choreograph that dance, but also keep it from tripping over its own feet? That's where Prefect comes in. Prefect is designed to elevate your scripts and transform them into resilient, production-ready workflows with just a few lines of code. It allows you to build dynamic data pipelines that can adapt to the shifting landscapes of your data environment, which we all know can be unpredictable at best, right? Now, before we jump into all the technical details, let's think about what the real magic behind Prefect is: resilience. Have you ever spent hours building a complicated pipeline only to have it break the moment an unexpected change occurs? It's frustrating. But with Prefect, there are features like scheduling, caching, retries, everything you need to keep those data dance moves smooth and intentional. And speaking of features, let's talk about monitoring. Prefect includes a user-friendly UI, a Prefect server that you can host yourself, or opt for the convenient Prefect cloud. Imagine being able to check in on your workflows, see how they're performing, and catch any hiccups before they become full-blown disasters. Now, let's get a little hands-on. Getting started with Prefect requires Python 3.9 or later, so if you're not there yet, it might be time for an upgrade. Once you're set, installing Prefect is straightforward. A quick command, and you're ready to roll. Here's a super cool example of how Prefect can be utilized. Picture this. You want to fetch the number of stars on a GitHub repository. With Prefect, it's as simple as creating a flow with a couple of task decorators. You set up an API call using HTTPX, and voila, you have a script that not only fetches data, but does so in a resilient manner. Now, if you're thinking about turning your script into something more robust, you can actually set it up to run on a schedule, let's say every minute. Whether it's through a local server or a cloud deployment, Prefect ensures that your workflows continue to run smoothly. And speaking of efficiency, let's not forget about Prefect Cloud. It's powerful, capable of automating over 200 million tasks monthly for various organizations, from insurance giants to fintech disruptors. It's a testament to how Prefect enhances productivity, minimizes errors, and significantly reduces data workflow costs. But what if you're working in a temporary setup? No worries. Prefect has a lighter weight option called Prefect Client for those scenarios. It has an ideal setup for ephemeral execution environments, making it truly versatile for developers on the go. As we wrap up, I encourage you to check out the Prefect documentation, join the Slack community for discussions, and maybe even consider contributing to this incredible project. Think of Prefect as a new partner in your data journey, a way to make your data work for you rather than the other way around. So what's the takeaway today? Embracing tools like Prefect not only streamlines your data processes, but also empowers you to be more creative and innovative without fear of disaster when things go awry. Thank you for tuning in to this episode of Tech Talk. Keep your workflows resilient. And until next time, stay curious about the fascinating realm of data.